Hello everyone! So yun guys, for today's video, kay mula ka sa may mga dumi sa grocery store. So, time check here is 3:37 p.m. which is talagang padilim na po. So, ayun guys, so come with us! Let's go! Wow! Your car is red now? Grabe mansion, oh! Mansion na siya guys, haunted mansion. Nindot kayong haunted mansion. Ito na po yung kanilang shopping center. Parang SM. Beautiful flowers. Daming orange. Ito yung bulaklak ko. They also have white. Ito yung mga prutas. Ayan. Kasi namin chocolate dito nila. Ito mga chocolate na ito. Ayan. Ang daming chocolate. Chocolate. Oh, ano lang. Ito po, oh. Kuha siya gusto ng caramel.
This is okay?
Get mo. That's it.
This is the small bears.
Small ball. Ayan guys, dito na po magtatapos ang aking video at saka nandito na rin kami sa bahay. So guys, thank you for watching again. Thank you.